The world is loud, but your power is silent. Have you ever sat in a room full of noise and realized it wasn't the world screaming, but your own thoughts? Have you ever chased validation, felt the sting of betrayal, been crushed by expectations, and thought, why can't I stay calm like some people seem to? Well, you're not broken, but your mind is likely untrained. See, most people wake up and immediately start reacting to messages, bad news, opinions, fears. But the Stoics, they woke up every day and trained like warriors for the mind. And the truth is, you're already in a battle every single day. But the enemy is invisible. It's your cravings, your reactions, your attachments. In this video, we're going to expose those enemies and give you the mental armor to become unshakable. Stay to the end for your personal Stoic Reset Challenge. 7 days that could change your life forever. Like this video if you're tired of being controlled by your emotions. Subscribe if you're ready to master your mind, not just survive with it. Let's begin. 1. The hidden war you're already fighting. Imagine this. You wake up to a peaceful morning. Then your phone dings. A message, a notification, a headline. Your peace, gone. You're triggered before your feet even hit the floor. Now pause. Who's really in control of your mind? This is what the Stoics saw clearly. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Seneca. You've been conditioned to give your peace away, to things that don't matter, to people who don't even think about you twice. The Stoic way is to train the mind to filter what truly deserves attention. Ask yourself, is this within my control? If yes, act. If no, release. It sounds simple, but try it for 24 hours and you'll see how addicted you are to control. Comment, what's one thing you've been worrying about that's completely out of your hands? Let it go, right here, right now. 2. How to stop giving power to what hurts you. Let's be brutally honest. You give too much power away. To what people think, to how they treat you, to outcomes you can't predict. But here's the Stoic secret. It's not what happens that disturbs us. It's how we think about it. Epictetus. You are not hurt by insults. You are hurt by the meaning you assign them. A Stoic doesn't just react. They pause, they breathe, they translate pain into information. Imagine the strength you'd build if every setback became a signal, not a sentence. That's not being cold, that's being free. If you've ever let someone's words ruin your whole day, drop a below and take your power back. 3. The antidote to fear that nobody talks about. Everyone is running from something. Fear of failure, fear of being alone, fear of death. But the Stoic? They don't run. They turn toward what others avoid. Marcus Aurelius, the Emperor of Rome, wrote in his journal, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do, say, and think." That's not meant to depress you. It's meant to liberate you. When you understand that death is not a distant possibility but a daily reality, you start to truly live. You stop holding back your truth. You stop procrastinating your dreams. You stop caring about petty things. Ask yourself, if this were your last year on earth, how would you spend it? Then act like it. If this hits you, pause the video and send it to one person you love. Let them hear this message too. 4. Turn pain into strength. Every champion you admire has walked through fire. The Stoics didn't avoid pain, they transformed it. Seneca was exiled. Epictetus was a slave. Marcus ruled during plagues and wars. And yet, they wrote words of power, of peace, of clarity. Because they knew something most people don't. Pain is your teacher, not your enemy. That heartbreak, it showed you your capacity to love. That failure, it revealed where you need discipline. That betrayal, it stripped away your illusions. You have a choice. Will your pain define you or refine you? Don't numb it. Use it. Drop it in the comments if you believe your past pain is secretly preparing you for greatness. 5. Why your emotions lie to you. Your emotions are real, but they are not always true. Let that sink in. You feel angry. It doesn't mean you've been wronged. You feel scared. It doesn't mean something is dangerous. You feel sad. It doesn't mean you're broken. The Stoic trains to observe emotion, not obey it. They ask, what is this emotion trying to tell me, and do I have to act on it? Most people are puppets to their feelings. The Stoic is the puppeteer of their actions. Start journaling your emotional triggers. Write them down. Question them. You'll be shocked at how much of your suffering is self-created. Hit like if you're ready to lead your emotions instead of follow them. 6. This one shift will set you free. Here's the most underrated Stoic principle: detach from the outcome. Yes, set goals. Yes, work hard. But do not tie your worth to what you can't control. Success? That's a byproduct. Effort? That's your responsibility. Do your duty. Expect nothing. Marcus Aurelius. Imagine giving your best and sleeping well regardless of the result. Imagine loving fully and not becoming bitter when it ends. Imagine leading with values instead of chasing applause. That's what freedom feels like. Your job is not to win. Your job is to show up with virtue every damn day. If this resonated, you're already thinking like a Stoic. Subscribe and build a mindset that nothing can shake. Final challenge: the 7-day Stoic reset. Now it's time to move from theory to practice. Your 7-day Stoic reset. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Begin with silence. Journal one thing outside your control and let it go. Do one thing that is uncomfortable. Face it. Reflect on death once a day. It's not morbid, it's motivating. Pause before reacting. Choose one virtue to embody for the day, e.g., courage, wisdom. At night, review. Did I live as my highest self today? Journal it. Live it. Then come back to this video and comment your results. Bonus: invite a friend to do it with you. Iron sharpens iron. Subscribe now for more Stoic strategies and weekly wisdom drops. Like the video if you're committed to your transformation. Hit the bell so you don't miss the next mindset breakthrough. The world will always be chaotic, but you can be calm in the storm, clear in confusion, solid in the shifting sands of life. That's the Stoic way. Not cold, but deeply present. Not emotionless, but wisely disciplined. Not passive, but powerfully purposeful. You're not here to be average. You're here to master your mind and live with unbreakable peace. Let's walk the path together.